Welcome to the assembly video for your new Broil King gas grill. Please use this video as a companion to your assembly manual. Now let's get started. Before starting, unpack all of the components of your barbecue and lay them out in your workspace. Use the drip pan to hold the contents of the hardware bag. You will need the following tools to assemble your Broil King barbecue: a number 2 and number 3 Phillips or Robertson screwdriver, a 7/16 wrench. Step 1. Install the 6 locking casters to the base of the grill using the screws provided. Note the casters with the leg levelers should be installed along the front edge of the grill. Step 2. With the help of a friend, stand your grill upright. Step 3. Install the tank retainer bracket on the left-hand side panel in the top and middle square holes that are closest to the front of the grill. Secure using 2 bolts, washers, and locking nuts. Step 4. Fasten the gas hose bracket to the door catch bracket using the 2 screws provided. Step 5. Install the right-hand shelf on your grill. Align the keyhole opening on the shelf with the pre-installed screws. From the inside of the cookbox, secure the shelf using 2 screws. Then secure a nut onto each of those screws using a wrench. Finally, tighten the pre-installed screws from the beginning of this step. Step 6. Install the left-hand shelf on your grill following the same steps used for the right side shelf. Install the side burner grid. Step 7. Route the side burner hose through the side panel along with the igniter wire. Pull down on the collar as you push the hose into place. Release the collar and gently pull on the hose to confirm a secure connection. Connect the electrode wire to the pin. Slide the drip tray onto the brackets. Step 8. Install the grease shields into the bottom of the cookbox. Fitting the tabs on the shields into the corresponding slots. Step 9. Insert the flavor waves, cooking grids, and warming rack. Ensure the rack is resting in the proper grooves. Step 10. Install the grease pan onto the grease tray and slide through the opening on the cabinet side panel. The grease tray will drop into place when centered on the grease rail assembly. Step 11. Attach both match light assemblies to the bolt holes on either side of the cookbox. Tighten using your screwdriver. Step 12. For propane models, install the tank onto the tank slide. Step 13. Attach the hose and regulator with the tank valve facing the front of the cabinet. And secure using the tank bracket assembly. Step 14. If you have a natural gas grill, pull the hose through the back left circular opening on the side panel. Step 15. Insert the batteries into the igniter and battery pack. Step 16. Install the rotisserie bracket. Install the bracket with 2 bolts and wing nuts. Now slide the rotisserie motor onto the bracket. To assemble the rotisserie rod, thread the washer onto the rod. Put the counterbalance weight on the spit rod and secure it with the handle. Slide 1 collar onto the spit rod, then 2 forks. Slide the second collar on, followed by the other 2 forks. Install the assembled rod onto the gas grill, with the open end going into the motor. Now use your screwdriver to tighten the 2 set screws. To attach the handle-mounted grill light, remove the battery cover and insert 3 batteries. Replace the battery cover and separate the light head from the mounting bracket. Remove the 2 screws from the mounting bracket and pull the bracket apart. Clip the bracket around the grill handle and replace the 2 screws. Slide the light head back onto the bracket and adjust to desired position. Repeat for the other light. Now you are done assembling your Broil King Regal. Please take a look over your grill to ensure everything is working smoothly. Now is a good time to register your grill by scanning the QR code located on both the box and the front of your Broil King welcome envelope. Or you can simply visit broilkingbbq.com/getgrilling. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more. Broil King. Great barbecues every time.